Circuit components, this was the last topic we were discussing in electricity. Then after completing this, we'll start magnetism. So we did, last week we did logic gates, then another circuit component, that is diode. The circuit symbol, for a diode, it is a triangle and with vertical line. This is a circuit symbol we use for diode. There is also another type of diode which is known as light emitting diode. The diode which emit out light when it works, that is called LED or light emitting diode. Both work based on the same principle, the working, but a small difference is there. When light emitting diode is working, it gives out light as well. So the only difference in the circuit symbol, that we draw arrows which are pointing out, which shows that the light is coming out. So that is if they say draw a circuit symbol for LED, LED means light emitting diode, so arrows should point out. If they say simple diode, then you don't have to draw the arrows for the light. Now, what is the purpose of why we use this diode in the circuit? It is used to convert AC, alternating current, to DC, or it can allow current to flow in one direction through the circuit. I will explain this statement, that the purpose of the diode is to convert alternating current into direct current, or it can allow current to flow in one direction through the circuit. How it works, the working of the diode. Look, if you see these symbols, what is this symbol used for? Any idea? When you are using videos, maybe you have seen this symbol. What is this symbol?
Play.
So this is a symbol for play or start. And what is this symbol in a video? That is for pause or to stop. So basically, if I join these two, what it will become? It will become same as a symbol of diode. Means I will take play and I will take one line from pause. So what it will make? It will make a symbol of diode. So to understand the working of the diode, it is very simple. Look, if the current enter from the direction of the play, the diode will allow that current to pass. Example, this is a symbol for the diode. Internal working you don't have to learn, you have to just learn how it work in a circuit, that's it. But internally, how diode, what it consists of, you don't have to learn that. So working of the diode, if the current is passing from the direction of the play, what it will do, the diode will allow that current to pass. But if current is moving through the direction of the pause or coming from the direction of the pause, so the diode will block that current, does not allow that current to flow. So one way it allow the current to pass and the other way it does not allow the current to pass. So when diode is used in the circuit, the current can only pass in one way, and when the current can pass only in one direction, we call that as a DC current or a direct current. Is it clear? The working of a diode? Diode is a component. Diode is a component of a circuit. Like the whole circuit is there, and a circuit consists of a diode. So if a circuit consists of a diode, it will only allow the current to flow in one way. So example, you don't have to learn how it allow one way current to pass and other way does not allow. That you don't have to learn, because you just have to learn if you use a diode in a circuit how it act or how it work. That's it. Because there is internal working of a diode and complete physics behind it, that the working of a diode, which is also known as a semiconductor. But internal working, I told you don't have to learn. Only the external, when we use a diode in the circuit. Now what is AC and what is DC? AC means alternating current, which means the current will change its direction continuously. That is called AC current or alternating current. And what is DC? It stands for direct current. So DC is a direct current. The current So the current which flow in one direction, that type of a current is known as DC. Example, you have a lamp and you connect an AC supply to this. This is a circuit symbol for AC supply. Now what happened for AC supply? Example, first right hand side is positive, left hand side is negative. So what is the direction of the conventional current? The conventional current will move from positive to negative. Then because it's an AC supply, so by itself the direction of the current will change. The same circuit I'm drawing again to show how it works. So here the lamp will be on and the direction of the current, if I say this is A and B, so the direction of the current is from B to A. The same circuit, same lamp connected to a supply. AC supply. So what will happen? First right hand side is positive, left hand side is negative, so the current will move from positive to negative. Next what happened? Left hand side will be positive and right hand side will be negative, so the current will flow again from positive to negative, but this time the direction of the current is from A to B, and the lamp, because there is a current, so lamp will light up. The only thing what is the difference here is the direction of the current. So when you have a AC supply, the AC supply, alternating current supply, continuously changes the direction, so the direction of the current is continuously changing. How we can use a diode to convert this AC to DC? So example, If I connect a diode here, any point before or after, like if I connect a diode here, what will be the state of the lamp? On or off? What will be the state of the lamp? It will be on or it will be off?